The relationship between Pakistan and Azerbaijan goes back a long way. The two brotherly Muslim countries have strong diplomatic ties. It all started back in the day when the Mughal king Humayun took steps to forge a friendly bond with the Safavid Empire, an Iranian dynasty. Azerbaijan has always favored Pakistan's stance on Kashmir and censures India from time to time for its serious human rights violation in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan and Azerbaijan share a fair amount of history. Both have roots in Persian, Turkic history and have the same religious affiliations as well, and cultural similarities and geographical outlooks are also same. Azerbaijan took the initiative to bring both nations closer together in an attempt to cross the language barrier when they started Urdu language classes at Baku State University. Azerbaijan has also recently launched an online Azeri news agency in Pakistan, and during the recent pandemic situation, Azerbaijan didn't hesitate to provide all the necessary assistance to Pakistan. That included food packages and medical supplies to help Pakistan in its fight against the COVID-19. There are some challenges in the relationship between the two countries and should be addressed with diligence. In the context of rising militancy in Azerbaijan, they can learn a thing or two from Islamabad, bearing in mind that Pakistan has fought the civil war against the militants for more than a decade. Both Azerbaijan and Pakistan have been avoiding getting into any unnecessary regional conflict. And during the Syrian war, Azerbaijan had to make some tough calls between pro-Assad Russian and pro-rebels Turkey. But Azerbaijan managed to avoid any tension in its ties with the neighboring countries. The recent Azerbaijan-Armenia war broke out after frequent border skirmishes between the two countries that turned into a full-fledged war. And over the years, both countries have been claiming the territory of Nagorno-Karabakh. In those difficult times, Turkey stood by Azerbaijan, but Azerbaijan still can't afford to alienate Russia because of the trade between these two countries. The question arises that why are Pakistan and Azerbaijan getting closer? So both countries recognizes that they must further deepen their bilateral friendship through greater cooperation. Military assistance is one of many reasons that demanded both the countries must collaborate. In 2018, Pakistan and Azerbaijan extensively discussed the subject of military cooperation. Azerbaijan has shown great interest in buying Pakistan's JF-17 Thunder fighter jets, knowing the fact that the JF-17 is a joint venture between Pakistan and Beijing that would also help Azerbaijan to access the Chinese markets by bridging the gap. According to the figures released in 2018, Azerbaijan's trade with New Delhi was around $922 million compared to just $10 million for Pakistan. But The Economist suggests that with a constant love between Islamabad and Baku, this imbalance could be reduced in the coming future. Trade and economic development could be one of the reasons for their strong relationships, with many others like their viewpoint on international and the regional disputes, geographical outlook, and the scope of the cooperation, which ensures that Azerbaijan will remain one of the closest partners of Pakistan in the future.